Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning.
Morning,
Morning, Miss.
Morning, Miss.
You look so sleepy, right?
No.
No?
A little bit, Miss.
A little bit, okay. And how are you in this pandemic? How? How in your house?
I
Boring?
miss.
Boring
Not
or
really.
happy?
Just happy, Miss.
Boring.
Boring, okay. Okay, before we are going to our lesson, let's say basmalah first.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, very good. Okay, now may I ask one of you to lead, to pray for today? Who wants to lead the prayer? Okay, if you don't want, I will choose. Hello, Askia.
Miss,
Ya.
Miss,
Ya.
itu katanya tolong accept Cayara.
Oh, oke.
Katanya dia tadi udah masuk tapi sinyalnya keluar, jadi keluar lagi dianya.
Okay, I have done to attract your friends. Okay, now I want you to lead the prayer. Who wants to lead the prayer? If the one, I will choose Keisha. Keisha Putri.
Yes, Miss.
Please lead the prayer in our class.
Bilangnya gimana?
Tolong untuk dipimpin teman-temannya untuk berdoa.
Bilangnya gimana?
Usually you use for pray, right?
Gimana?
Kamu biasanya seperti apa untuk berdoa untuk di kelas?
Belum pernah sebelumnya. Berdoa biasa aja.
Ya, boleh. Silahkan. English,
Okay. Before we study, let's pray together. Pray begin. Pray down.
Thank you, Keisha.
Welcome.
Hey, today we first meet, right?
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So I will introduce myself. Hello, my name is Futuhatu Alifia, and I am 7th semester in Pakuan University. Do you know Pakuan University?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. This is my first teaching practice, so thank you very much to join my class. Okay, here I want share screen. Hello, student. Do you hear me?
Yes, Miss. Sudah ada.
Okay. Okay, here we are going to learn narrative text. Have you ever heard or listened to a folklore story?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, what is folklore stories?
Cerita
Cerita
Yes.
rakyat yang udah diturunkan dari generasi ke generasi, Miss.
Oh, very good, Fauzan. And Cahaya also very good. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, and here I have some picture of you, and I want you to guess where the story come from. Are you ready?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Here. First picture. What story is?
Foto hijau.
Oh, ijo, almost right. And then
Wrong.
the woman. Who's the woman? I mean the girl. Who is the girl in the picture?
Timon Mas.
Very good. And do you know where is Timon Mas come from?
Is it from Central Java?
Very good. And then the next picture is wow. Do you know?
Bawang merah, bawang putih.
Bawang merah, bawang putih.
Red onion.
Onion, right? Onion and garlic, right? Okay, and then do you know onion and garlic come from?
Miss,
Hello, student.
Miss.
Yes.
As I know, bawang merah and bawang putih is divided into two stories. The one is from Riau and the other one is from Java, but I don't know which Java it is.
Oh, thank you. And I know is bawang merah bawang putih is from Riau, but I just know that bawang putih bawang merah is that in Java version. Thank you for give me information, Rizka.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, Riau, right? And the next picture is do you know? I think you don't know. You don't know? Okay, this story is about the girl come to stone. Do you know?
Oh, Miss.
It is story is about Batu Tabatung. I mean Badu Badaung. I mean, sorry. And do you know where Batu Badaung come from? You don't know? Okay, I'll. Can you mention all of the city in Indonesia? Student, can you guess where the story come from?
No, Miss.
No. Can you guess? Tebak dong. Di mana sih?
Maluku.
Yes, Cahya. Very good. From Maluku. Oh my God, you're so clever. Yeah,
Thank you, Miss.
this is from Maluku. Okay, the next one is what is this?
Is it Malin Kundang?
Malin Kundang.
Kundang.
Very good. Do you want to be a Malin Kundang?
No.
No, Miss.
No.
Yeah, of course. You
No.
don't like Malin Kundang. And do you know where Malin Kundang come from?
Sumatera Barat.
Padang, Miss.
Padang.
Sumatera
Very
Barat, Miss.
good.
Sumatera Barat.
Yeah, very good. From Padang or Minangkabau. Okay, here are folklore story, and this is folklore story are kinds of narrative text. So here are narrative text. The kind of narrative text is their fable, fairy tale, legend, myth, personal experience, and folklore. And do you know personal experience and recount text that you have learned last time? What are the difference? Personal experience and recount text. Do you still remember about your material last time? Okay. Take your book and look what is recount text and personal experience. No? Okay, yeah. No one
Miss?
knows. Yes.
I'm sorry, what's the question?
Okay, what the difference between personal experience and recount text?
Miss,
Yes.
nggak tahu salah atau benarnya.
Ya.
Tapi setahu saya, nggak semua recount text itu tentang pengalaman pribadi.
Okay, right.
Jadi recount text itu tentang teks yang menceritakan kejadian di masa lampau. Jadi
Yeah.
kayak history article juga termasuk recount text.
Yeah, very good. And how about personal experience?
Kurang tahu itu, Miss.
Okay.
Miss, aku mau coba boleh?
Boleh, of course.
Kalau menurut aku, yang aku tahu kalau recount text itu menceritakan pengalaman pribadi di waktu yang lain, jadi dia pakai past tense. Kalau naratif teks itu lebih menceritakan dengan hal-hal yang menghibur pembacanya. Iya, kalau setelah aku gitu.
Yes, very good. Yeah, recount text and personal experience some using past. Tapi untuk personal experience itu ada moral teksnya. Mungkin kalian misalnya hari ini ada kejadian yang sangat membahagiakan atau yang sangat menyedihkan. Nah, dari situ, dari kejadian itu, kalian bisa ambil pesan moralnya, misalnya. Jadi kalau misalnya terlalu sedih tuh nggak boleh, karena Allah tuh nggak suka orang yang terlalu sedih, apalagi orang yang suka frustasi. Misalnya belajarnya kurang semangat, itu kan frustasi banget ya. Nah, jadi Allah nggak suka, makanya kalau belajar harus semangat. Gitu. And how about a fable? Do you know what a fable is?
It's like animal story.
Yes, good. How about a myth?
Mitos.
Fake story, Miss.
Very good.
Fake story, Miss.
Very good. Next is, what is narrative text? Nah, according to you, what is narrative text? But you don't lihat dari PowerPoint-nya. Ini menurut kalian apa sih narrative text itu?
Miss, I want to answer.
Okay, sure.
Narrative text, it's like the text that tells a story and entertain the readers.
Very good. Another? Is there you have a idea of what is narrative text is? Okay. Narrative text is an imaginative story to entertain people. Nah, narrative text ini adalah sebuah dongeng yang berasal dari imajinasi kita. Yang bisa menghibur siapa sih?
Menghibur pembaca.
Bacanya,
Very
Miss.
good. Ya, menghibur pembacanya. Have you read some story or novel? Maybe?
Yes, Miss.
What kind of
Miss.
story that you have read?
I read some fictional story.
What title?
It's Harry Potter.
Oh, Harry Potter. Another?
Miss,
Yes.
I read a story too.
Wow, what is that?
I read Sherlock Holmes.
Sherlock Holmes. Oh, sorry, but I don't know. But you are really good. And another one, just Cahaya and Rizka, who read the novel. Fauzan, you read a novel?
Nggak tahu Miss ini tergolong novel atau enggak. Tapi
Yeah.
saya lebih ke historical book, Miss.
Oh, what is the title?
Mein Kampf.
Oh my God. Okay, thank you for answer me. And the next is, do you know Timun Mas? Do you know the story Timun Mas?
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
Miss.
Timun Mas, what story about?
Is it about someone who really wants a child, and then someone gives the child, it calls Timun Mas, but when she grow up, the child has to take back to the giant or something. That's all I know.
Yeah, very good. And do you know Timun Mas is kind of narrative text.
Yes, it's a folklore.
Yes. Jenis apa sih Timun Mas ini? Apakah dia legend, myth, folklore, atau fairy tale?
Folklore.
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 Very good. And I want you to read the story. Okay, who wants to read first paragraph?
Can I miss?
Yeah,
Can
sure.
I try?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Sure. Long time ago lived an old woman named Mbok Sirni. She lived by herself because her husband had long passed away and she had no children. Every day she prayed so God would give her a child. One night when she was praying, a giant passed her house and heard her pray. I can give you a child on one condition, the giant said to Mbok Sirni. And then, you must give the child back to me when it's 6 years old. Mbok Sirni was so happy she did not think about the risk of losing their child later and agreed the giant's over. Saya lanjut apa gimana, Miss?
Yes. First paragraph.
Okay.
Yes.
The giant then gave her a bunch of cucumber seeds. Plant it around your house. The giant then left without saying anything else. In the morning, Mbok Sirni planted the seeds. The seeds grew within more days and bloomed plentifully. Not longer after that, a big golden cucumber grew from a plant. Carefully, Mbok Sirni plucked the golden cucumber and carried it home. With caution and care, she sliced the cucumber. She was very surprised to see a beautiful baby girl inside the cucumber. She then named the baby Timun Mas. It means golden cucumber.
Thank you, Cahya. And how many characters in first paragraph?
2. 3 sama Timun Mas.
Okay. Who is the three of character? Timun Mas.
Timun Mas.
And then?
The first one is Mbok Sirni and the second is the giant. And then Timun Mas was born, so Timun Mas.
Yeah, very good. Thank you, Cahya.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Sorry. The next paragraph. Who wants to read?
Miss, I want to read.
Okay, sure.
Years passed by, and Timun Mas has grew to become a lovely and beautiful little girl. She was also smart and kind. Mbok Sirni loved her very
Oh,
much.
sorry.
Oh.
Sorry.
Mbok Sirni loved her very much, but she kept thinking about the time the giant would take Timun Mas away from her. One night, Mbok Sirni had a dream. In order to save Timun Mas from the giant, she had to meet the holy man who lived in Mount Gundur. The next morning, Mbok Sirni took leave of Timun Mas to go to Mount Gundur. The holy man then gave her 4 little bags, each one containing cucumber seeds, needles, salt, and shrimp paste. Timun Mas can use this to protect herself, said the holy man to Mbok Sirni.
Okay. Where the holy man?
The holy man in Mount Gundur.
Oh, very good. The next one. Who wants to read?
Maudi mau dong, Miss.
Okay, Maudi, please.
A few days later, the giant came to see Mbok Sirni at Almes. Mbok Sirni, where is the Timun Mas? Said the giant. My mother, take this bag with you. It can save you from the giant. Run through the door, said Mbok Sirni. But the giant saw Timun Mas running to the wood. The giant was angry, starved, and energetic. He rushed toward Timun Mas. Mbok Sirni tried to stop him, but the giant was unstoppable.
Okay, Maudi, have you done?
Udah, Miss, tadi. Apa
Okay.
jaringannya putus-putus ya?
Yeah,
I'm sorry, Miss.
yeah, it's okay. What a promise, Mbok Sirni and the giant. Janji apa sih yang ditagih sama giant itu?
Timun emasnya mau diambil.
Okay, very good. The next one. Okay, the next one. Who wants to read?
Aku mau, Miss.
Yeah, sure.
The giant was getting closer and closer. So Timun must open the first bag she got from Bonnie. Inside the bag were seeds. She threw the seeds, and instantly they grew into large cucumber field. But the giant ate them all, giving him more strength. As the giant was getting close, Timun Mas took the second bag with needles inside and spilled the content behind her. The needles turned into bamboo trees, sharp and thorny. The giant body was stretched and bleed. Ah, I get you, Timun Mas, shouted the giant as he tried to get himself out from the bamboo field. He made it and still chasing Timun Mas.
Thank you. And
You're welcome.
the next one. Who wants to read? I want the boy to read this story.
Saya, Miss.
Oh, sure.
Timun Emas then reached the third bag and spilled the salt inside. The ground which the salt touched turned into a deep sea. The giant almost drowned and had to swim to across the sea. After some time, he managed to get out from the water. Timun Emas saw the giant coming, so she reached for the last bag. She took the shrimp paste and threw it. The shrimp paste became a big swamp of boiling mud. The giant was trapped in the middle of the swamp. The mud slowly but surely drowned him. Helpless, he roared out, "Help! Help!" Then the giant drowned and died. Timun Mas then immediately went to home. Since then, Timun Mas and Mbok Sirni live happily ever after.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay. What you feel after read the story? Sad or happy or confusing or what?
Happy
Happy. Why happy?
because they finally live happily ever after.
With who?
With Timun Mas and Mbok Sirni.
Yeah, very good. And then you got all the story.
Yes, I got it.
Yeah.
Thanks, Miss.
Okay. And the next is the purpose of narrative text. Do you know purpose of narrative text in your kalian tujuan dari narrative text itu ini untuk apa sih?
To entertain the reader with a story.
Ya, seperti apa nggak entertainnya?
Like with a story.
With the story?
Yes.
Entertain with the plot or with the ending.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, because you have to know, and I want you to back to first we recall our material. Okay, How many kinds of narrative text? 6. What's that?
Fable, fairy tale, legend, myth, personal experience, and folklore.
Oke, another one. Oke, sebenarnya naratif teks itu banyak jenisnya, termasuk cerita romantis, horor, dan banyak lagi. Nah, nggak hanya dari fable atau folklore saja, tapi di sini Miss akan lebih ke folklore, yaitu cerita rakyatnya. Jadi naratif teks itu banyak macamnya ya.
Oke, Miss.
Ya. Okay, for the next material, I will lead to my best friend, Nabila. Okay.
Hi,
Hello, Miss.
Can you hear
Hi,
my voice?
Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Wabarakatuh.
Thank you to Miss Putu for leading the first chapter, the first session. And from now, I will hand it until the end of the class. So I will introduce myself first. My name is Nabila. You can call me Miss Nabil. So let's continue our material today about narrative text. If we talk about narrative text, we talk about the plot or the generic structure. Wait. Does anyone know what are the generic structure of the narrative text? Anyone know what the
Can I-
generic structure of narrative text?
I know, Miss.
Can I try? Okay.
Sure.
Orientation, complication, resolution, and reorientation.
Yes, good. Wait. So the orientation, it is about the opening of the paragraph. So in the orientation, the characters of the story are introduced. And the second is complication, where the problem of the story develop, and the third is resolution, where the problems in the story is begin. Okay, I'm sorry. And the last is coda or reorientation. And this is what we call moral value or moral of the story. Now let's back to the text, to the narrative text. Okay, can you guess where is the orientation of this text? Anyone?
Is it start from long time ago
Yes.
until her pray?
Yes, good. So the orientation usually orientation, it is on the first paragraph of the story, like this one. She introduced the character like Mbok Sirni, the Timun Mas, and the giant. And next, can you guess what kind of generic structure of this paragraph?
Complication.
Yes, complication. Why does it call complication?
The problem begins in this paragraph.
Yes.
Yes, good. Because the problem is begin here. Can you mention where is the problem?
When Mbok Sirni dreaming.
Yes, good. Okay, next. Can you guess what kind of generic structure it is?
Still complication, Miss.
Yes. Why does it still called complication?
Because the problem haven't solved yet.
Yes, because it's still run the problem here. What's the problem in this paragraph?
The giant appear.
Okay, the giant appear. The giant was angry. Okay, next. Can you guess what is the generic structure of this paragraph?
What's the complication, Miss?
Yes, it's still the complication. So why does it call the complication? Can you mention?
Because the giant is try to catch Timun Mas.
Yes, that's the problem, right? Still the problem. Okay. How about this last paragraph?
Resolution.
Yes, resolution. Why does it called resolution?
Because the problem is solved.
Yes, the problem is solved. How the problem is solved here? Can you guess?
Timun Mas immediately, the giant was died. The
Okay.
giant died, and then Timun Mas and Bosirni live happily ever after.
Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else want to answer? Why is it called resolution?
Because the giant was trapped in the middle of the swamp.
Okay. That's it?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Talking about reorientation, there is coda or moral value. Can you find the moral value from the story? Anyone want to answer? What's the moral value of this story?
So thinking about the risk before the agreement.
Okay, good. Anyone else? What's the moral value from Timun Mas story? Anyone else? May I call someone here? Oh,
The
okay.
moral is we have to be brave and face anything problem that we had in our life.
Yeah, that's good. Anyone else? There is much moral value from this story.
We shouldn't give up with all the problems.
Yes, that's good. Okay, let's to the next chapter. Here we have language features. Does anyone know what language feature is? So, does anyone knows what language feature is?
Kaidah kebahasaan.
Yeah. Anyone else? Does anyone knows what language feature narrative text has?
Past tense English.
Yes,
Simple
past tense. Anyone else? Any other?
Is it
Verb of
include
time, Miss.
time?
Yes, verb of
Verb of
time.
time.
Then,
Action verb.
yes, action verb.
Direct speech.
Direct
Time conjunction.
speech. Yes, time conjunction. Okay.
Adverb of
Now let's Back to the story again. Now I want you to search for the language features. The first language features, past tense. Can you find the past tense in this
Long time
paragraph?
ago. Long time ago.
No, you are almost
Live,
Live.
Miss. Live.
Yes, lived.
Live.
Anything else?
Kalau pass away itu.
Name.
Yes. Yes, good.
Name,
Pass
pray.
away. Yes, pray.
Pass.
Yes, past.
pray.
It past participle.
Had.
Had, Miss.
Prayed.
At.
She prayed.
Pray.
Had and prayed.
Yes, good.
Past.
Asked. Good. Anything
Agreed.
else?
Period.
Agreed.
Read.
Gave.
Yes, good. Yes, gave. Excellent. Anything else?
Plant. Planted.
First plant.
Mbok Sirni planted the seeds.
Yes, planted. Then, anything else?
Read.
How about here? How about this?
Yes. Grew. Grew,
Yes,
grew.
grew.
Salah. Gimana sih?
Grew.
Ya, betul.
Yes, you're right. Grew. Excellent.
Said.
Love.
Yes, saved. Excellent.
Love.
Loved.
Kept.
Kept. Okay, good.
Took.
Took.
Gave.
Yes.
Gave.
Gave. You're right. Okay. How about here?
Came.
Can you find the past tense? Came. Okay, good.
Shouted.
Yeah, shouted. Shouted.
Should.
Yeah.
South.
Oh, yes.
Tried.
Tried. Okay, good.
Rushed.
Rised. Okay. Next. What's
Starved.
again? Starved. What is starved?
And enraged. Kelaparan, Miss.
And again?
Enraged.
Said.
Okay, for the next. Can you find past tense?
Opened.
Opened.
Opened. Next.
She threw.
Grew.
Grew.
Took.
Grow. Grew.
Oh, true. Yes, true.
Took.
Took again. There's took again.
Spilled.
Where is?
Spilled itu, Miss.
Oh, spilled.
Inside and
Yes. Yes, spilled. Good. What again?
Got.
Stretch.
stretched.
Yes, stretch.
Itu the giant body was scratched.
Oh, stretch it.
Turned.
Yes.
Yeah.
Turned.
Bled.
Showed.
Black.
Shouted.
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 Yes.
Turned.
Right.
Tried. Good.
Right.
Okay, now for this last.
Reached.
Yeah.
Reached.
Good. Okay.
And spilled.
Touch.
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 touch,
Turn.
turned,
Turned. Yes. Okay.
drowned,
Drown.
Had.
Yes.
manage,
Manage.
Reach.
Reach. Okay, good.
she took,
Okay, she took. Good.
and threw it,
And threw it. Yes, good. Threw.
became,
Yes.
Roared.
Roared. Berteriak. Yes. And
drowned and died.
drowned and died. What is drowned and died means?
Kelelap dan mati, Miss.
Kalau dan mati. Okay, good. Okay, now back again. Now I want you to look for the effort of time. The effort of time. Okay, long time ago. Good.
Every day.
Can you mention the others effort of time instead of
Every day.
One night.
one night? Good.
Every day.
No, it's not effort of time. I mean to begin the story, usually using
In the
effort of time
morning.
like long time ago. Then
In the morning.
in the morning. Anyone anything else?
Within night.
Within your days.
Yes, then me. What's again? In one fine day. Maybe you ever heard that? Okay, let's move to the others language features. Can you mention the specific character here?
Mbok Shirni.
Yes. Mbok Sirni.
The giant.
Giant. And
Timun Mas.
Timun Mas. Okay, good. Now, I want you to find the action verb of this story. Do you know the action verb? Do you know what is action verb is?
Kata kerja gitu, Miss, yang sedang dilakukan.
Yes, kata kerja yang dilakukan, yang ada aksinya ya. So, can you show me? Can you mention?
Prayed, Miss.
Yeah?
Prayed.
Prayed. Okay, good.
Passed. A giant passed her house.
Passed her house. Yes, good. Anything else?
And heard her pray.
Heard. What's heard? What's the meaning of heard?
Mendengar, Miss.
Yes, good.
The giant then left without saying anything else.
Where is it? Anything else?
Planted the seeds.
Planted. Okay, good. What's again?
Block. Bener gak?
Carried.
Block, carried. Yes, that's an action. Good. Okay, let's find on the other paragraph. Can you find the action verb?
Thinking.
Thinking. Good. Thinking is also an action. What's again?
Had a dream masuk ke action gak, Miss?
Yang mana?
Had a dream.
Had a dream. No, it's
Oh, yeah,
not
Miss.
an action.
Took leave, miss.
Where is it? Took leave. Yes. Artinya apa itu? Took leave.
Membawa pergi.
Yes, membawa pergi.
Protect herself bener gak?
Yang mana itu? Which one?
Yang bawah. Yang bawah, timun emas can use this to protect herself.
Can use. What's the action verb?
Protect-nya, miss.
Protect-nya. Yes, protect. It's an action too.
Ini juga, miss. Holy man then gave her. Gave-nya, miss.
Gave. Yes. Good. Okay, then. The next. Okay, let's find the action verb from this paragraph.
Run through the back door.
Run through. Okay, run through.
Yeah.
Yes.
Back door.
Run is an action verb, not the truth, but run is an action verb. Okay, good.
Said juga, miss. Said Mbak Sirni.
Yes, said. Also an action.
Saw, miss. The giant
Running.
saw timun emas. Running juga
Oh.
masuk.
So, yes. So is also an action. What else?
Running, miss.
Rush. He rushed toward timun emas.
Where's rushed? Ini ya. Rushed.
Ya,
Apa
he
itu artinya rushed?
kayak mengejar gitu, miss.
Rushed itu terburu-buru ya. He rushed. Terburu-buru.
Iya.
Ya, mengejar juga. Okay. Good. Now this paragraph.
Opened.
Opened. Okay, good. Membuka. Anything else? Yes?
Ate, miss. The
Ate.
giant ate them all.
Yes, good. Eat. Also an action. What else? Took. Okay, took. Another verb. Let's find out. Anything else?
From the bamboo.
Where is it? Which line is it? Hello? Anyone?
Chasing termasuk gak, miss? Chasing.
Chasing, mengejar. Yes. It's an action verb. Good. Anything else? See here, spilled atau menumpahkan. Spilled juga dia termasuk dalam action verb karena ada aksinya ya. Okay, now
Shouted.
shout. Where is it? Yeah, yes, shout too is an action verb. Okay, what about this last paragraph?
Reach.
Reach. Yes.
Build.
Good.
Build.
Yes, build.
Touch.
I have already mentioned it.
Touch.
What? Touch. Did you mention
Reach.
touch?
Reach.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Swim.
Another. Yes, swim. Swim is also an action. What's again?
Manage.
Manage.
Okay. Roared.
Roared. Berteriak. Okay, good. Anything else?
Throw it.
Okay, now I want you to find the direct speech. Do you know what the direct speech?
Kayak talking ya, Miss, yang berbicaranya.
Ya,
Kalimat yang
biasanya.
dibicarakan.
Ya,
Ada
biasanya.
tanda petik duanya.
Ya, betul. Biasanya direct speech ini dia using quotation mark atau tanda kutip. Jadi dia juga biasanya memakai present tense ya, karena dia langsung berbicara direct speech. Okay, so can you mention where's the direct speech here?
Help, Miss.
Help. Okay. What about in here? What's direct speech?
I'll get
I'll get you, Timun Mas.
I get you, Timun Mas. Okay, good. How about in here?
My daughter, take this bag with you and save you
Yes.
from this giant now.
Daughter,
Mbok
take this
Sirni
back with you.
Timun Mas.
Yes. One person, please read.
Mbok Sirni, where is the Timun Mas?
Yes, good. And the other. Okay. How about this paragraph?
Timun Mas can use this to
protect himself.
Okay, good. That's the direct speech. How about in here? Is there any direct speech?
I can give
I
you
can give
a
you a
child
child.
on one
Give it a
condition.
shot on one condition. Okay, good. Anything else?
house.
Plan it around your house.
Okay, good. And others? Oh,
You must give the child back
when he's
when
when
it's 6 years old.
6 years old.
okay, good. That's it. So, as we have mentioned all the language features, that reading some story can increase our iman. Let's see. Di sini dikatakan membaca buku atau cerita itu akan meningkatkan keimanan kita kepada Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Jadi kita bisa jadi lebih baik dalam berpikir dan juga bisa berpikir terbuka dan rasional dalam menghadapi sesuatu, sehingga keimanan kita terhadap Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala pun akan semakin kuat. Sabda Rasulullah mengatakan di sini, barang siapa menginginkan soal-soal yang berhubungan dengan dunia, wajiblah ia memiliki ilmunya. Dan barang siapa yang ingin selamat dan berbahagia di akhirat, wajiblah ia mengetahui ilmunya pula. Dan barang siapa yang menginginkan kedua-duanya, wajiblah ia memiliki ilmu kedua-duanya pula. Hadis riwayat Bukhari dan Muslim. Okay, because we are in the near of the end of our class, let's recalling what we have learned today. So, anyone wants to help me recalling our material today? Anyone?
We know about narrative text, Miss.
Okay, we know about narrative text. Anything else?
And now with
I know about folks.
Okay, we know about folklore story. Anything else? What kind of narrative?
We know the generic structure.
Yes, we know the generic structure.
You know the language features.
Yes, we also know the language features. Can someone mention?
We know about kind of narrative text.
Yes, kind of the narrative text. Can anyone help me to mention what's the kind of narrative text? I want the others to speak up too. I only see Rizka, Fauzan, Ayla to speak. How about the others? I want to hear the others' voice. Hello? How about Cesar? Cesar Gibran from IPS 2.
Yes, Miss.
Can you mention what kind of narrative text?
Bentar. Halo. Ada fabel, ada fabel, fairy tale,
Yes.
legend, myth, personal experience, sama folklore.
Okay, good. Anything else about the language feature? Maybe help me to mention the language features. Anyone? Choose one.
Pass, Miss.
Yes, who is it?
Time
Simple
conjunction.
past, action verb, time conjunction,
Okay, good.
Specific character.
Good. Ada lagi loh, apa lagi?
Direct.
Direct speech. Okay. And how about the moral value? Let's recall, what's the moral value of the story?
brave, Miss.
Be brave. Okay, good. Anyone else? One. Tell the moral value of the story. How about Adi Chandra from IPS 1? Can you
Yes,
tell
Miss.
the moral story?
The moral is if you want something, just pray to God and try your best. Don't. Ya itu aja, Miss.
Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, so because we have done our material today, let's say Hamdalah first.
Alhamdulillahirobbilalamin.
Thank you, class. Thank you, friends, for attending my class. I'm so great to see you today. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Have a great day. Have a great day too.